Hello everyone, this is IDIA Trader Support. Welcome to another episode of how to use IDIA Trader. So on today's episode, we'll be looking further into the dashboard. So we'll be looking at a very interesting function on the dashboard. But before we move along, did you know that the image you see on the top left corner of your IDIA Trader account is your broker logo? So that gives you an understanding of the broker your trading account is connected to. So let's get right into the order of the day. So, and then also, do you know that using an IDIA Trader account, you don't have to have a portfolio analyst, because there is an AI portfolio analyst on the IDIA Trader that gives you a thorough analysis of how your portfolio is doing. And to access that, you log into your IDIA Trader account, you go to your dashboard where we are presently, and then you click on Analyze My Portfolio. So once you click on that, it is going to give you a thorough breakdown and analysis of your portfolio. So it's saying the weighted average beta of your portfolio is 1.65. So before we move ahead, beta is used to calculate how risky your portfolio is doing. If the beta value is greater than 1, then your portfolio is more risky. If the beta value is less than 1, then your portfolio is less risky. So let's read through the first paragraph. It says, given that this is greater than 1, it implies your portfolio as currently constituted has more risk than the general market represented by the ASI. You might want to consider rebalancing your portfolio to sell the more risky instruments and buy less risky, especially ones that has a beta less than 1 but is outperforming the ASI. Listening to that or reading through that makes we give it's more like you have a portfolio analyst right there beside you, giving you a breakdown of how your portfolio is doing, and things you might want to consider doing, and then actions you might want to consider performing. Then further, going through, it is just these are further breakdown of your portfolio, giving you a better understanding of how your portfolio is doing. Then another interesting thing again is now that it now further gives you a breakdown on each of the stocks in your portfolio, and then it does a quick comparison of that stock and then how they are doing in the market, and then actionable items on them that you might want to consider based on the trading signals, and then it gives you the total signal makeup of how those signals come into existence. So if you look at, let's say for example, for FBNH, so he's saying strong buy. So based on the market, there are 5 buys, 2 sells, and 6 neutrals. So if you're having FBNH in your portfolio, you might want to consider buying more on that, or you might want to consider just holding. Then Fidelity Bank also strong buy, UBA strong buy. The Roman Bank is saying neutral. So this you might want to consider selling and then doing further review into the market on how Roman Bank is doing. So that about the portfolio analyst on IDIA Trader, and that is that about today's episode. Thank you very much.